Hi Austin, my name's Sean. I'm gonna be your PT today. Is it okay if I go ahead and listen to your lungs real quick?
Yes.
So I'm just gonna be looking on both sides just to make sure there's no kind of everything's symmetrical and everything's the same. And there's not any major signs or symptoms of any issues with the lungs. Just gonna take deep breaths in with your mouth open for me. Okay, front sound pretty good. Go ahead and turn around for me. We'll do that back. Try to get the posterior segments. Alright, back sounds good too.